This is the winter wildlands at the LA Zoo. This is opening this weekend and it's through the holiday. Amazing photo ops. This is just one part of the LA Zoo. So the zoo closes at regular time. I believe it's 5 p.m. and then it reopens for a special ticketed event. You can get tickets on their website where you can walk through and see all of these beautiful displays. I'm gonna wait till this family's done taking their pictures.
1, 2, 3.
And this is this is just one area of the zoo. It's decorated like this from the moment you walk in, all along every path. And there's special treats like churros and hot cocoa, drinks, and little snacks all along the way. We came this last year, and I could be wrong, but I feel like there's a lot more to see this year than last year. Like there's not that there's more to see, but there's a lot more decorations. This is just one area. It's the winter wildland, and I think it's one of my favorites. I love the fireworks up in all of the trees, and there's just these big beautiful domes that are like perfect light for taking pictures. So there's lots of fun photo ops, and definitely come out and see it at the Los Angeles Zoo. Support the zoo, which is a nonprofit organization, and just it's a fun outdoor thing to do with your family.